Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to add a horizontal scroll in Framer. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So yeah, first you will have to select the frame that you would want to make scrollable. For example, I would want this section or frame right here, and then just go ahead and click go to the properties panel, and then you will look for overflow, so it should be visible right here. So yeah, you make sure that you do have the full version of the app so that you will see all the features. So yeah, once you click overflow, you should see um the horizontal scroll or just scroll, and now you will just have to add the child elements inside the frame, and this will scroll horizontally. Adjust the spacing, the padding, and the width to ensure smooth scrolling, and then you will just go ahead and click the preview to test horizontal movement, and finally click publish to save the changes live. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.